Hi guys, I'm Emilia and I'm 21 years old, owner of digital marketing agency, and in this video I want to answer the question which one of my friends has sent me recently, and I thought they're very great question for someone that want to start doing digital marketing or digital marketing agency but doesn't know how to start. So in this video I will show you my biggest mistakes and what not to do while finding your own digital marketing agency. So my marketing agency is currently making around $40,000 to $50,000 per month, which is very good for my age. Of course, I want to scale it more, but from a perspective of person who start like humble as a freelancer, just working for free and starting literally this company from scratch with zero money from like investor, parents or anything, I will just show you all my tips and don'ts. So yeah, let's stay tuned and let me know if you like this type of video and what was the best advice that I have given. Okay, so first question, what was your biggest challenges while starting your own marketing company? I think the biggest challenge is just to find clients at the beginning, because if you don't have clients, basically your company doesn't exist. Because many people think like, oh, I will make perfect logo, I will make perfect website, and it doesn't matter if you don't have clients. So the biggest challenge is to find the good base of clients and just find the sales funnel that sells your service. But I will tell about this more in other videos, so stay tuned. I will tell you exactly how I find clients and what are the best ways. The second question, what are the most popular services right now that clients are looking for? So I will tell you not maybe what are the most popular, but what are the best profitable or will be in the future. So right now in this year, I think marketing automation, like just setting up sales funnel and automated all the campaigns from Facebook ads to email marketing to CRM in company. So basically just setting up the funnels, because many people just have no idea how to do it, but they just want to make more money from company while they are asleep. So basically just everything that will help your client drive more leads and sales. I am right now mostly focusing on building all the sales funnel and email campaigns and Facebook campaigns and TikTok campaigns, just like paid ads. But if you want to start and you just want to click in some niche and just find more clients than your competition, right now there will be a big market for all AI services. For example, making AI videos, making AI graphics, making AI chatbots. So if I were you and I wanted to start marketing in 2025, I will definitely start by learning marketing like connected with AI, because it will be big hype, big market, and many people will need it. Okay, next question. Is it better to be specialized in one niche or in general services and niches? So this question, if you're starting, yes, you have to specialize in one service, like for example doing TikTok ads, only TikTok ads, not like Facebook ads, not like LinkedIn ads. You just learn one thing perfectly as a freelancer. So specialize in one service, and of course it's better to start in one niche, because if you have proven record that your methods and service works, it's social proof, and other clients from the same niche will be more willing to work with you. For example, when I was starting, my first clients was connected to like beauty services, medical services, so beauty clinics in Poland, and I was doing just TikToks. So I was just doing like content, going with telephone recording TikToks for my clients, and this how I scale, because I was really good at TikTok. There were many people on the market doing like social media management and so on, but I was just a TikTok master. I knew everything about TikTok. And at the beginning, later when I was having more clients, my agency was also doing only TikTok. Right now it's like full digital marketing because we are big and we have almost 10 employees, but at the beginning it was only TikTok marketing agency. Next question, is it worth investing in ads, like paid ads in your company or from the beginning, or better to lean on networking and recommendation? So no, don't do ads. Why, do ads? Literally until today I never make marketing for my own company. We just have clients by recommendation and networking. I also, when I was living in Warsaw, right now I'm not living in Warsaw anymore, I just travel all around the world, I was really often going to networking events. And in networking events you can meet amazing people. In big city in Europe there are many great networking events, and then you can meet your clients. Literally I met like 4 clients networking events, and later they recommended me. So yeah, just focus on good quality service, recommendations, networking, and later when you have bigger company you can invest in ads because you can reinvest. Were you hiring employees from the beginning, or you were starting alone? So I was starting alone, but I don't really recommend it because later I met my boyfriend, which is also my great business partner, and we're just both partner in crimes, and we're just like co-owners of the company and shareholders. So I think the best way to do it is just have a business partner, because it's not only the person that can help you with any task you have in business, like anytime, but also a person that will motivate you, keep you motivated, keep you disciplined. So I really recommend, if you want to start working as a freelancer, just work alone. But if you want to start your marketing agency at the beginning, find some business partner and someone you can even cooperate with, and later try to hire as soon as possible the employees. Because one of my biggest mistake, I was working very long time inside my company, like doing all the ads, running all the profiles, because I thought I'm not competent enough to hire people, which is maybe true, but I was teenager. But when you're like 20 something, you have marketing knowledge from your college, I don't know, university, or you're working somewhere in marketing, or you just did a lot of courses. I would recommend you hire people as soon as you can, because later you can delegate and you can just have more time for yourself. To be honest, right now when I have a big company, I have a lot of more time for myself. I can just chill and work like 4 hours. Of course I'm working more, but if I want I could like work 4 hours, 3 hours a day, and just people are managing. And before it I was working like 16-20 hours a day, like 12 hours a day literally. So as soon as you can, hire people. How you deal with customers that are having low budget but are demanding great results? I'm not dealing with them. Literally, I can tell you, I have clients that are having budget like, for example, $50,000 a month, like literally for running the campaign, big clients. And they're less time consumers than people that just want you to do one thing for $200. Literally, the people that are having really small budget and thinks that marketing works like, oh, I will give you $200 and you will bring me miracle. They are people not worth your time and not worth your, not worth your life. Because if someone is entrepreneurial, they know what they want and they know what they need, and I think most of the time they know what is the price range that they need to use. So maybe these people are just using you, or they're like cheap motherfuckers. So run away fast and just try not to get these clients. I lost so much time on people like this. What mistakes you made that could be warning signs for me? The biggest mistakes I made was, working inside my company, taking cheap clients, because I just want to scale and have a bigger company, and I just took everyone. Right now I'm not taking everyone, I'm just talking to someone, and when I have great connection with someone and I think that this person is really like good business, like client, the partner that we can collaborate with, I am working with them. But when I see that someone is having red flags, literally I'm not, but I want to tell it also in another video about red flags in your clients that you should run away from. I think that's all, and I wish this video was helpful for you. Let me know what was the greatest advice that I have given, and let me know if you want to start your digital marketing agency or be a freelancer this year, and I will send you free ebook how to find your first client.